The state-owned lender Bank of Baroda on May 13 declared a ninefold jump in its profit after tax (PAT) of 7,272 crore for the year ended March 2022 as compared to a PAT of 829 crore registered in the corresponding quarter of the previous fiscal. The net interest income, difference between interest earned and interest expended, for the year rose 13% to 32,621 crore as compared to the NI of 28,809 crore for FY21. For the quarter ended March 2022, the PAT for the bank came in at 1,779 crore as compared to a loss of 1,047 crore incurred during the year-ago period. On a sequential basis, however, the profit for the quarter has declined 19% as against 2,197 crore profit logged during the previous quarter. The lender saw its NI during the quarter under review bump up by 21% to 8,612 crore as compared to 7,107 crore reported during the same period last year. On a sequential basis, the NI was flat with a marginal growth of 0.7% from 8,552 crore registered during the previous quarter. Global advances during the year grew by 8.9% on year and by 6% on quarter to 818,120 crore. The domestic advances also grew at a healthy 6.7% on year and 4.6% sequentially. The organic retail advances grew by 17% and were led by growth in home loan, 11.3%, personal loan, 108%, auto loan, 19.5%, and education loan, 16.7%. The agriculture loan portfolio grew by 10.3% YoY to 109,796 crore while the organic MSME portfolio grew by 5.4% on year to 96,863 crore. The deposits and savings also witnessed robust growth of high single to low double digits on a YoY basis. The operating income for the year at 44,106 crore improved by 5.7% on year as the operating profit witnessed a growth of 5.6% to 22,389 crore. The net interest margin for the quarter witnessed a healthy growth of 272 bps per second on year to 3.08%. The bank was able to improve upon its return ratios of return on assets, ROA, and return on equity, ROE. The ROA improved to 0.60% for the reported year from 0.07% in FY21 while ROE surged by 1,016 bps per second YoY to 11.66% for FY22. The bank worked upon its asset quality and the effect was evident in the improved NPA, non-performing assets, ratios. Gross NPA ratio for the quarter reduced by 226 bps per second to 6.61% compared to 8.87% in during the year-ago quarter. The net NPA ratio for the quarter improved from 3.09% during the same period a year ago to 1.72% for the reported quarter. The slippages for the year at 1.61% were well under control and the credit cost for the year stood at 1.95%. The bank has recommended a dividend at 1 rupee and 20 paise, rupee 1 and 20 paise, per equity share for fully paid-up equity shares of face value Rs2/each for the FY21-22. The stock closed 1 rupee and 5 paise lower at 95 rupees on May 13, at the National Stock Exchange. The stock has appreciated 23.0% over the past 1 year but has lost 20.5% during the past 1 week.